Hey you guys, Wes here. It is a very cloudy afternoon, but I am very excited to have gotten a park reservation for Epcot today. So, Epcot actually right now is the one park that's open the latest. Epcot is open until 9 o'clock p.m. And actually those hours are going to be changing in September. So let's take advantage of the slightly later park hours today and head on over to Epcot. Let's have a great afternoon, rain or shine. I think it's going to rain, and that's okay. We're going to have a great time anyway, and see you at the park. Epcot, let's go. Hello, Epcot. And we are arriving, and of course it's raining, and that's okay. It's August, it's Florida, and anyway. Rain, August, Florida, not a surprise. It's cool, we're gonna have a great time anyway. And the parking lots are way empty. Wow, so empty. I think it's gonna be a quiet day here at Epcot. Wow, I don't remember ever seeing the parking lot this empty, actually. Okay, so starting this vlog, starting a YouTube channel during the month of August in Florida might not have been in my best interest because it is going to rain every single day. Every day. But hey, there goes my mask. Hey, I'm excited to have gotten a park reservation for Epcot today. And we're heading in. Rain or shine, it doesn't matter. We're at Walt Disney World. Who cares about rain? Let's go. It's gonna be a great day. Okay, so this was a new one. Security seriously got me today for having too much metal on me. I went through the metal detector, but evidently the phone, the camera, the umbrella were way too much to handle, but they actually told me to make sure that I'm not videoing the security guards, which I wasn't anyway, but I don't know if that helps anybody else. You cannot film the people who search your bags and control the metal detectors. And this mask is way too big. I forgot my Disney mask. It's all right, let's go in. Okay, I don't care about the rain, we're heading in. There's Spaceship Earth. I don't care that it's rainy. Every day's a great day at Walt Disney World, right? Let's go! Okay, so for our second vlog ever, I really might not have picked the best day ever to come out to the park. The weather is bad, the wind is crazy, I can barely hold on to my umbrella, let alone the camera, and Spaceship Earth is thin. So we'll head into Future World and we'll see what we can do over there. Let's go. Okay, we are heading into Future World, and let me tell you, I am seriously having a hard time with the umbrella because it is so windy right now. I have to say, it's not hot though. The temperature is really cool, which is unusual, but the wind is not cooperating. And I feel like I'm about to take off with this umbrella. Just arriving at the Seas with Nemo and friends. The wait time here says 10 minutes, which probably means for this particular attraction, more like 5 minutes. I cannot keep this mask on my face. I'm doing my best. Let's go see Nemo. There is no one here. I'm the only one in line. I think this is definitely going to be less than 10 minutes. Probably more like 2 or 3 minutes.
worry. Just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
Nemo!
Oh, let's go explore.
Oh, that's why you're trying to find him.
Find who?
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together.
Hurry.
Jellyfish!
Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Who's your friend? I wonder if clownfish taste funny. In my big blue world.
I'm gonna go explore.
Back there on the bottom. Another starfish right there.
Story.
Is he Dory?
Okay, had a great time on Nemo and Friends. Heading into the land right now. Let's go see what the wait time for Soarin' is. It's pretty quiet around here. It might not be long. Heading into the land. We are going to go downstairs and see what the wait time is for Soarin'. It's pretty quiet here, so I think it might be short. Wait time for Soarin' says 10 minutes. It's probably not even 10 minutes. That's crazy. Cool, let's do Soarin'.
These little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right.
Wow. How cool is this? I'm actually afraid of heights, but you wouldn't know it on Soarin'. This is actually my favorite smell. The fragrance of the fresh cut grass. It's awesome. is actually my favorite. If I could jump out of this seat and land in that water and on that beach, I would do it. Wow. Eiffel Tower. We're in Paris. And of course I had to sneeze right at that moment. Think about it. So living with the land has a 10-minute wait, which means it's probably not 10 minutes, it's probably more like 5 minutes or less. Let's see.
Beneath the surface of the land, roots trap water from the flowing mud, extracting precious nutrients and minerals. These elements, when combined with sunlight, create the diverse living systems of our planet. This arid landscape may seem lifeless, it is very much alive. The plants and animals that have learned to survive in these harsh conditions make use of what little water they can find and avoid the scorching rays of the relentless sun.
I have always said this before. I would love to live here, in this house right here. How perfect would that be? I'd live here. I would live here.
Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound effects. To our living laboratories, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests now and into the future. The starchy root of the plant has long been used to make flour for baking. One day, many of these lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of the boat. More than 28 million tons of bananas are eaten annually, making it the most popular fruit in the world. The system we're using here recycles the water in the tanks. As a result, we're able to save millions of gallons each year. Our small fish farm produces nearly 5,000 pounds of fish each year to serve in restaurants around Walt Disney World. Grains growing here, wheat, maize, sorghum, and milk, plus
here.
rice, account for nearly
My favorite
2/3
flower
of our
in the whole
global
world.
food consumption. Learning how to increase
Sunflowers.
yield of these staples is an important goal of research
And they're all
around
facing the other
world.
direction, but my favorite flower in the whole world, sunflowers. Sunflowers, my favorite.
The future of agriculture may include innovative ideas like this vertical growing system. Plants grown in this way use a fraction of the space required by traditional growing innovative projects. The goal of these efforts is to produce higher yielding and better quality plants.
Living with the land, always cool. Let's see if we can get some lunch here. Not sure if everything is open, but we'll find out. Okay, so this was a short wait, even pre-pandemic. Journey into Imagination with Figment. I think we should be able to just walk right on. Let's go.
First stop is the sound lab. We'll begin by testing your hearing with a series of tones. Left ear, right ear. Left, right. What? This is odd.
Can start appearing, and each of us imagines different things from just the sound. Your mind has wings.
Using the eye chart to test your vision. Now, all together, if you would please read line 3 and hit.
With F-I-G-N-E-N-T, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination. Follow the bouncing figment. One spark of light can light your fancy. Your mind sees more than what your eyes see. Your sense of sight can make your fancy fly. There's more to sight than meets the eye. Santa!
Don't! Oh, that really stinks!
Of course, Doc. The nose knows. One awful whiff can send you reeling. One lovely sniff can be appealing. Your mind defines what enters through your nose. That's how you tell a skunk is not a rose. Now, here's a real open house. Come on in. So, what do you think? Is it me?
More than you can imagine.
But Doc, it's exactly what I imagined. Imagination is the brain's open house.
We all have sparks.
Imagination. That's how our minds create creation. Can be a dream come true. With just that spark from me and you.
Okay, quick ride in Spaceship Earth. 0 wait time. Let's head on.
Please take small children by the hand.
I love that living room setting. Okay, you guys, done with Epcot for today. Loads of wrong things, loads of right things. Let us know in the comments what you like, what you don't like, what we should be doing, what we shouldn't be doing. We want to get this right, so we're going to get the channel off to a great start. Love you guys for subscribing. Busy getting Disney. Over and out.